beautiful squat. Most clients coming into the gym, certainly in the beginning, don't look like this, right?
Yeah.
And there are a lot of reasons why. Can we just cover some of like the basic, like normal, you're 40 years old, you have not been well trained in human movement, you got life kind of happening.
You know, I mean, there's going to be range of motion, flexibility, strength, balance. So there's a bunch of stuff. Regardless of what the problem is, the answer is to squat. And I don't want to develop a culture of meta squatters and meta squat trainers trying to figure out what they can do to make their clients better so that they can then teach them to squat.
Right.
Just squat.
Well, let me shift that and say you have someone whose squat doesn't look like this, right? And that's going to be the majority of your new clients.
Right, they won't.
Right. Now, you could spend 10 years on someone and really make very slow progress.
Yeah, I'm going to make the point that I don't know if coming to realize that it's probably poor innervation of the glute and or tight hamstrings. That's going to be your two issues, you know, big ones. I don't know if knowing which of those is the dominant piece gives me really that big a clue.
To fixing it.
Yeah.
Right. Because to fix it is to squat.
Because I'm going to find out maybe posturally in the setup here and some other exercises about the hamstring shortness. I certainly will when we get on the glute ham developer. But in net, I don't know if there's a significant change in how I'm going to approach his thing.
Okay.
You know, I want him in that posture.
Okay.
And if we have to find a post and he grabs it and I got a knee in his back and I'm forcing him in there and looking to see if it can be balanced or not, if I'm like, why can't I get you down there? Or are you fighting me, or is it the limit of a range of motion? I'm going to have him, you know, give me hip flexion, and if real suddenly I get a round lower back and I ran out of hamstring, well, that's part of the problem, you know. And I might assign some other hamstring duty, but suppose I didn't really find that. Okay, it's just neurological. I want you down there in the squat anyways. The extra hamstring work, what's it worth? Well, you know, if I didn't catch it in the squat, I would have found it somewhere else and we'd work it.
Right.
Regardless of what the problem is, the answer is to squat.